Hey viewers, today we're taking a virtual trip to Dubai, a city in the United Arab Emirates, known for its towering skyscrapers, luxurious hotels, and exciting adventures. We're going to discover 5 unique experiences you only have in Dubai. So, get ready for a journey filled with thrills, chills, and awe. Imagine yourself standing at the top of the tallest building in the world, watching the sun dip below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the city of Dubai. This is just one of the many unique experiences you can only have in this incredible city. Number 1. Witness the magical sunset from Burj Khalifa. Our first stop is the iconic Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. The Burj Khalifa is a 163-story skyscraper that stands 828 meters or 2,700 feet tall. It's an architectural marvel that has become a symbol of Dubai. From the observation deck on the 124th and 125th floors, you can see 360-degree views of the city, including the iconic Palm Jumeirah, the world's largest artificial island. But the most amazing thing about visiting the Burj Khalifa is witnessing the sunset. As the sun sets, the sky turns a fiery orange and red, and the city lights begin to twinkle. It is a truly magical sight. Number 2. Ziplining through Dubai Iconic Fountain. Next up, we're taking flight. Imagine soaring through the air on a zipline high above Dubai's famous fountains. The Dubai Fountain is a mesmerizing water feature that shoots water up to 150 meters or 492 feet in the air, which is equal to a 50-story building. It's located in the heart of downtown Dubai, and it's one of the most popular tourist attractions in the city. In recent years, a new attraction has been added to the Dubai Fountain, ziplining. This is an exhilarating experience that allows you to fly through the air like a bird. As you soar above the fountain, you will get a bird's-eye view of the water show and the surrounding skyscrapers. Number 3. Make a splash at Aquaventure Water Park. Time to cool off with some water fun at Aquaventure Water Park. This isn't your average water park. It's a water wonderland with twists, turns, and surprises at every corner. Aquaventure Water Park is one of the largest water parks in the Middle East. It's located in Atlantis, the Palm Resort, and it features over 105 record-breaking water rides, including the world's tallest water slide, the Leap of Faith. Whether you're looking for adrenaline-pumping thrills or a relaxing day by the pool, Aquaventure Water Park has something for everyone. There are also plenty of restaurants and shops to keep you entertained throughout the day. Number 4. Exciting dive experience of Dubai Mall Aquarium. Dive into the depths of a 10 million liter tank without getting wet at the Dubai Mall Aquarium. The Dubai Mall Aquarium is home to over 33,000 marine animals, including sharks, rays, and turtles. You can explore the aquarium on foot, or you can take a boat ride through the underwater tunnel. But the most amazing experience at the Dubai Mall Aquarium is the shark dive. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to swim with sharks in a controlled environment. You will be accompanied by a qualified instructor, and you'll be provided with all the necessary equipment. Number 5. Skydive above Dubai's iconic Palm Jumeirah. Ready for the grand finale? We're taking adventure to new heights, literally. Skydiving above the iconic Palm Jumeirah is a dream come true. The Palm Jumeirah is an artificial island that is shaped like a palm tree. It's one of the most iconic landmarks in Dubai, and it's home to some of the most luxurious hotels in the world. Now you can experience the Palm Jumeirah from a whole new perspective by skydiving over it. This is an extreme adventure that is not for the faint of heart. But if you're looking for an adrenaline rush, this is the experience for you. Imagine free-falling from the sky with a stunning palm-shaped island below you. Skydiving turns Dubai into your personal playground. And when you're flying above Palm Jumeirah, it's like you're a superhero soaring through the clouds. These are just a few of the many unique experiences you can only have in Dubai. With its warm weather, beautiful beaches, and world-class attractions, Dubai is a city that has something to offer everyone. Which of these have you added to your bucket list? Let us know by leaving a comment on this video.